Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, today's topic sounds very happy.
Yes, Paul. Today we talk about weddings. Weddings are full of joy, food, and beautiful clothes.
That's true. I feel the same. When I hear wedding ceremony, I smile automatically.
Same here. And many learners feel nervous speaking English at a wedding.
Yes, but don't worry. Today, we will practice simple wedding English together.
Paul, imagine we are at a wedding. I meet you and say, "Hello, congratulations on the wedding."
That sounds great. I can reply, "Thank you so much. We are very happy today."
Nice. You can also say, "You look beautiful today," or "The wedding decoration is lovely."
That's easy and kind. I like that. If I meet the bride's family, I can say, "Thank you for inviting me."
Perfect. And if you want to talk about food, you can say, "The food is delicious," or "I really like the wedding cake."
Yes, food is very important at weddings.
True. And when you leave, you can say, "Thank you for a wonderful wedding," or "I wish you a happy life together."
These sentences are short, but very powerful. They show respect and love.
Exactly. And don't forget to smile. Your smile is also a language.
That's true. I feel that people understand you more when you speak with a smile.
Friends, weddings teach us an important lesson. Simple words can make people happy.
Yes, you don't need perfect English. You need a kind heart and confidence.
Practice these sentences. Use them in real life. Step by step, your English will grow.
Believe in yourself. You are learning, and that is already a big success.
Thank you for learning with us today. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment what you learn from this video.